On August 18, 2025, the Jetson Board of Trustees voted to place a voter approval tax rate election, or VATRE, on the November 4th ballot. Public schools in Texas are funded through a combination of state and local tax dollars. Local property taxes are divided into two parts: maintenance and operations, called M&O, and interest and sinking, called I&S. The M&O rate funds the day-to-day operations of school districts. This includes teacher and staff salaries, classroom instruction, and student services. The I&S funds are used to pay off bonds that finance long-term investments, including the construction and renovation of schools, upgrading technology infrastructure, improving school safety features, and adding facilities that support student learning. A VATRE is required when a district seeks to raise its M&O rate above the limit set by the state. This gives the community the opportunity to decide whether to approve additional funding for school operations. To learn more about what this means for Jetson ISD, visit jetsonisd.org/VATRE. That's jetsonisd.org/VATRE.